Let's get started with the installation of your Malwood USA hydraulic underdash pedal kit for the C-3 Corvette. You'll need a 9/16 Allen key, some cutting pliers, a couple of 1/2" wrenches, a 9/16, 7/16, and 3/8 inch wrench. Remove all the components from your original pedal carrier. You'll want to take off the brake and clutch pedal, as well as the shaft that holds them in. You'll remove the neutral safety switch and reinstall it later on your new Malwood pedals. In this part of the video, you'll see that we've removed the original carrier from under the dash and placed it on the bench. This allows full access to all the components, makes it easier to install the spring, and also to make sure everything's flush. Remove the bolt, spring, and bushings from your clutch pedal. Take note of the order that you remove them in so they'll be easy to reinstall. These nylon bushings are critical to the operation of your pedal system. Make sure you have a nylon bushing on either side of your brake pedal and on either side of your carrier. Now that all 4 nylon bushings are installed, slide your clutch pedal shaft through the carrier, through your brake pedal, and onto the other side. So you've got your pedals installed, and now you can put the Malwood bracket onto the side of your carrier. Make sure it's lined up and fits flush. You'll secure your Malwood bracket into place with 2 bolts. One goes through the firewall and the other one goes through the dash. The bolt that goes through the dash has a nut that goes on the back of it. Tighten those down firmly. Make sure you've got your bracket flush against the carrier. Your Malwood bracket should be seated flush against this raised area. You'll reinstall your bushings, bolt, and spring onto your carrier. To install the nylon bushing, you'll have to adjust the shaft to make sure it fits flush into this keyhole, and make sure that your bushing is flush and the bracket is flush. Reinstall the bolt using the 9/16 Allen key and tighten. In order to install the spring, use your 7/16 inch wrench to remove this 1/4-20 bolt from the bottom. Slide the spring into position as shown against the bracket. Now we'll reinstall the bolt. You'll have to put some pressure on the spring to get the bolt into position. You'll want to hand tighten this 1/4-20 bolt and then securely fasten it with a 7/16 inch wrench on that bottom nut. Your Malwood bracket is now installed. Go back and recheck each bolt to make sure you've tightened them securely. Check the operation of your pedals. Make sure they're operating smoothly and that your clutch pedal is snapping back nicely. Connect the 3/8 fitting on your braided line to the fitting on your master cylinder. Make sure you check the connections on your hose line. Make sure they're secure, and then connect that to your reservoir. Installing your Malwood billet aluminum reservoir is easy. You can install the reservoir wherever you'd like, provided it's located above the master cylinder. Thank you for purchasing the Malwood USA C-3 Corvette hydraulic underdash system. Learn more at malwoodusa.com.